Hey guys, this is Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. So in my last video, I showed you how to make passive income yield farming on MM.Finance. I showed you the ropes as far as going to farms and pairing two tokens to make a liquidity pair token and staking that to earn yield farm rewards. As you can see here, in my last video, I had 115 worth of MMF Crow tokens. Since then, I haven't made any deposits, and I gained around about $20 because I remember in my last video I had around about $177. Since then, price has increased up to $196, and I've earned around $5.82 worth of MMF tokens. Just pure passive income. If you look at the chart, uh, MMF has been on the steady uprise, um, and I think it's at the all-time high now, as you can see here. The last time it was around $1.1028 was around about December 13th of last year, and I expect this price to continue to increase. If you follow their Twitter, they just made this post about an hour ago. They said they crossed a half a billion in TVL, which stands for total value locked. And when they mean total value locked, they mean like the liquidity here locked into these farms and pools. If you go to on the pools, as you can see here, but that's very very bullish news in my eyes. Um, it says this makes us the #1 yield optimizer on the Kronos network, and also one of the largest yield optimizers in the DeFi space currently. We will continue to work hard to ensure our platform continues to scale and provide value to our users, which, like I said, which is very, very good. Looking at some of these tweets, they said, thanks to MM.Finance, I have 3 times my investment, $8,400 in less than 2 months. The best part is I'm making money pursuing a more leisure life now, which is great. Best team ever. Thank you guys for always delivering and improving. Let's crow. Thank you for your wonderful work. But anyway, like I said, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your MMF tokens that you earn from your farm here. It is very, very simple. In my next video, I'm going to show you a more advanced play or advanced strategy that I'm going to do. Like I said, today I'm going to show you how to redeem this MMF token that you earn, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take that MMF token here and put it into the vault here to earn even more passive income. But anyway, like here we go. Like I said, I'm going to take that MMF in the next video and stake it here. But like I said, that's going to be in the next video. But to redeem your MMF here that you earn from your passive income from going from the LP token here, make sure your wallet's connected. I didn't show you how to do this in the last video, but I'm going to show you now how to connect your wallet. So basically, this is how you do it. You just click on connect wallet, right? And I use MetaMask. You can also use Crypto.com DeFi wallet, but I don't have that installed on this browser here. So I will use MetaMask, and you will know that you're connected to MM.Finance if you see like your partial wallet address here, right? And also, like I said, make sure that you're on the correct network. And like I said, the network is right here. Now, if you don't know how to add a network, hold on 1 second. I messed this up. Now, if you don't know how to add a network to MetaMask, you will go to the site right here, chainlist.org, right? You want to search for the Kronos network, and you want to make sure you connect your wallet, and then you add the Kronos mainnet to MetaMask. And once you be able to do that, you'll be able to have the Kronos network mainnet here, right? So, all right. So now let's go ahead and harvest our rewards right here, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on harvest. And it's gonna show you some information here, and it's gonna show you the max fee amount. Now normally it's not gonna charge you this much to withdraw your rewards, but I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And as you can see, my MMF earnings has been sent to my wallet. And if we go to our MetaMask here, I have more MMF tokens in my wallet. And to confirm this, if we can just go to the little three lines right here, and then go to View Account and Explorer. Actually, no. We can go to back to MetaMask here. Account details. Oh no, I'm right. I'm right. Okay, so all right. I want to make sure I'm doing this right, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So basically, if we go under the transactions here, and if we look at this transaction history here, you can see that we did receive our MMF, right? Now there was a fee involved when we received our MMF, so technically we got a little bit less than what we initially received, but like I said, we have our tokens in our wallets now, right? So say if you want to cash out, I'll show you a brief example right here. Say if you wanted to take that MMF and convert it to back to Crow, so that way you can send the Crow back to your crypto.com wallet and you can sell it for either just USDC or US Tether or even like ETH or a switch for Bitcoin. So this is how you would do it basically. So you would go to trade, right, and then you would go to exchange. So in this box right here, the from, you would go to MMF. And as you can see, we have that 12.1728 MMF. Say, for example, if we wanted to exchange that, we can exchange that for Crow. So we select the currency, and we could exchange that for Crow, right? So we will hit max. In this example here, we will get around about 31 Crow for our 12 MMF. And so if we go to CoinGecko, right, and we go to Crow, $31, 31.58 Crow is around about $15.61. So I'm not gonna swap it in this example here, but I would just showing you how you would do it. So basically, you go to trade exchange, and then you will exchange your MMF to Crow tokens, and you will hit swap, and then it will show up in your MetaMask after you paid your fees. You have around about, in this example, I'll have around about 31 to 35 Crow, and then I will take that Crow and I would click on send, right? And then I would open up my crypto.com app on my phone. Let's get out of this. All right. Open up my crypto.com app on my phone. All right. So, sorry guys. Hold on. Little technical difficulties. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I will open up my crypto.com app on my phone, right? And then I will go under accounts and then my crypto wallet. Then I will find my Chronos. If you can't find it in this list here, you just type it in here. Click on the little magnifying glass and just type in Crow, and you get Chronos, right? Click on transfer, and then click on deposit. Now it's asking you that memo is required, right? It says in order to deposit Crow to your wallet, it is required to input both the Crow address and memo. Any deposit without the memo will be lost. So make sure to get that memo address. You do not want to lose your funds, right? So in this example here, if I wanted to send Crow, my earned Crow to my Crow wallet on my crypto.com app, you want to select your network, right? In this example, this would be, you will select Crow. Click on copy. In fact, you might not even need the memo. Yeah, okay. So you wouldn't need the memo if it's a Chrono. If we're on the Chronos mainnet, this is only for crypto.com, crypto.org version of the Crow token. I know it might be a little confusing, but like I said, MMF is for the Chronos network. So you want to copy that Crow. In fact, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and convert this for you just to show you this live example here. I don't want to confuse you. So, right? I click refresh. All right. So MMF. To Crow. Max. Swap. Confirm swap. And you see how much what the gas fee is, which is around about 1.09 Crow, which is very cheap. If we go back here, costs us about 54 cents for this transaction, which I don't mind. Go back here. confirm. All right, transaction has been submitted, so we wait. And the swap has been approved. And now we have around about 35 Crow, right? If we go to our MetaMask here, you see that we have our 35 Crow. Now, let's go back here. And we want to send this 35 Crow to our crypto.com wallet. So we copy this address here. Click on send. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I had to redo that. So basically what we would do, right, we would copy this address. Make sure it's on the Kronos network. Copy this address. And then we want to send it to the address that it provided us. As you can see here, we send, and we want to send the whole balance of the 35, right? So we click on max, click on next. It's going to show you the estimated gas fee. Click on confirm. As you can see, it's pending, and it has been sent. Now, it may take a few minutes for it to show up, so I'm going to pause this video until the transaction has been finalized. So give me 1 second. All right, so the transaction has been completed here. As you can see, I have that 35.8 Crow balance in my wallet, in my crypto.com app, right? So it's worth $17.84. And as you can, if I go down and scroll down here, you can see that the Crow deposit has been completed here, right? Now, if I wanted to sell this, I can sell it. If I wanted to, I would just hit, sell, and I can exchange it for either BTC, ETH, any of these other coins, or if you wanted to, you can just exchange it to fiat if you wanted to, and cash out to maybe like your bank account or whatever. But this just an example of how you can just earn passive income from MM.Finance, right? Take the rewards, turn it into Crow, sending it to your crypto.com wallet, and just selling it. Now, like I said, in my next video, I'm going to show you an even more advanced strategy of just taking the MMF and putting it into another vault where you can earn more passive income. And like I said, this is more of an advanced stage for, I guess you could say, degens that want to make even more money, more gains on your passive income. Alright, so I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm also working on my website, so I will have guides and stuff on how to make money passively with DeFi. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.